Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create folders in Outlook. So as you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook and it is super easy to create folders. You just want to click on your specific inbox in which you want to create some folders, the right click of your mouse and then click New Folder. Now you can name the folder, for example, let's say 123, and just click Enter. And voila, you have just created a new folder. If you want to delete this folder, you want to again right click on the specific folder. First, you need to select the folder and then right click on it, and then you want to delete folder. You can also rename the folder, copy or move it to another folder, or just clean up the folder. You can do with this folder whatever you want. You can do with another folders. So let's now delete it. The Outlook is going to ask you, are we sure about this action? Let's go yes. And now this folder is going to be in a deleted items. Over, and here is this folder. If we want to delete them completely, let's just click right click on deleted items and empty folder, and again click yes. So this is it. This is how you can create folders in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like and consider to subscribe. Bye!